Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn We the Travelers, two together, step by step. We continue our journey, now using multiplication to handle repeated distances and simple time problems. When you travel the same distance again and again, multiply. 5 kilometers a day for 4 days is 5 times 4, 20 kilometers. Distance equals speed times time. Traveling at 60 kilometers an hour for 2 hours covers 120 kilometers. A bus moving at 40 kilometers per hour for 3 hours travels 40 times 3, 120 kilometers. To recap, multiply for repeated distances and use distance equals speed times time to plan a journey. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.